Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great granddad's day. Out here in the sun. I'm in the shade right now. Let me see, I'm trying to get the sun. Yeah. Man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, with the bell notification, man. So pretty much, like I said, I was gonna be out here. I was going back inside, but man, I'm just out here in nature. I know where to leave this thing. I really don't. By the stream, you dig? By the way, feathers up, we not just talking it, we actually living it. American pride, you dig? I just took my shoes off. Took my shoes off. It was like my skin's healing too. My skin's healing. Putting that aloe on there. I just couldn't leave my soul alone. Fun with it, but it's alright. Anyways, oh yeah, if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you guys are following us there, I don't know why not. Go do that. We post on a regular. I think we had 2 posts today actually, already, and you see the sun still shining. And we upload to our story, so it's regular updates, you dig? But yeah, we also got a business course too. If you guys want to start a business, you guys don't have one, hey, we got the solution for that in the description box. And also I wanted to say, check out our artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our amazing American apparel. And yeah, but yeah, let me get this video started by saying that, man, oh man, I'm over here doing some thinking, man. And just thinking like the saying these though, people say, oh, you in your feelings. Oh, you up in your feelings. You know, you're in your feelings. Just thinking like, I'm thinking maybe we need to be in our feelings. Maybe. And, you know, maybe we need to be in our feelings as far as even to deal with and address with how we are feeling. Why do we feel this type of way? Why? Why? Because I think if more people was just in their feelings, or even address their feelings, they're able to see this more clear. You know? Like the other day, happened to be in the same room as my biological father, who's a narcissist. And I was just so angry. I was so angry, you could see it in my mouth, huh? It was just a negative energy all around him, and I just couldn't be in the same room as, man, I had to step out. Even times when I did step out, it felt immediately better. Energy. Some might say I'm all of my feelings. It's how you, I know how I feel, and I'm trusting how I'm feeling. And I say with those who experience narcissistic abuse, you know, you're taught to really go against your feelings, question your own sanity, and that's the abuse in itself. Really. And I think if people really went with their feelings, they'll quit their job. And start a business. But people go against their feelings. They're not in their feelings. So they stay at a job. But the minute you hire, they trying to fire your ass. They discriminating against you at a job. That's happened to me. I was the only brown man at the job, man, in Flint, Michigan. Come on now. I used to work at Starbucks, pardon me. And every time I used to walk in, sometimes wouldn't even say hi to me. Won't even say hi to me. You dig? I ended up getting wrongfully fired for that. I actually did a video on that. Y'all can search that up. How I got wrongfully fired at Starbucks. You dig? But y'all even saw a video of another job that I quit. Another job I quit. You dig? They ain't go back to them. You know what I'm saying? They ain't contacting me. They ain't contacting me and whatnot about Corona. I had to find out the hard way. They was closed. They wouldn't tell me nothing. And then when stuff opens back, you want to call me to work? Like, that don't work out like that. Y'all not communicating with me. And I'm just like, F a job. Because I remember walking back into that place. I remember looking. I took a step in the doorway. I didn't even know if I'm sure if I stepped in. I know I didn't walk all the way in. But I got it. Yeah, I think I did step in. And I was just like, my stomach was already turning like I was sick. I'm just, I can't do this. I'm like, I don't even like this hybrid male. Like, sitting there trying to fake smile me, trying to do fake ass talks. He's a disingenuous little hybrid pale male boy. Like, what the frick? Like, I'm like, he's like, yeah. I'm like, I don't even want to talk to this motherfucker, man. You motherfucker hunting rabbits. Told me he's gonna hunt rabbits. I'm like, I was so foreign to the idea. I'm like, oh, like, I mean, like maybe something else. I don't know, what do you do? Like, maybe just hold it? Because some people, like, they catch fish, but they don't eat the fish. You know what I'm saying? Even though they shouldn't be catching the fish. You know, like I say if you're going to put a hook through its mouth and rivet over, you're destroying it. You're harming, you're damaging it in nature, you dig? Or it doesn't have to be damaged. And it's like you're not trying to catch the fish to get it into an aquaponics system, you dig? You dig, or something like that. But yeah, this motherfucker's catching a rabbit. And you're like, what do you do with it? It's like, eat it. You know, to kill. I'm like, I'm just looking at this yellow teeth motherfucker, hybrid animal motherfucker, hunting rabbits. What type of bush is that? You seeing how cute a rabbit is? We see rabbits on a regular, especially at night. You seen if you watching our nighttime videos, we always talk about we see rabbits. People ridiculous, man. But people don't go with their feelings or some of the relationship as far as just relationship with people, really. Oh, you and your feelings. You and your feelings. It wasn't even like that. Oh, it's not even like that. Oh, it's like that. But why do you feel the certain way you do? Go with your feelings, man. Go with your gut. Or just try to be in tune. Listen to yourself. Come out here. Meditate, because that's what I had to do. I had to get some clarity. This is why I couldn't leave this place. I'm so in tune. I'm really loving this thing. I get clarity. It really helps me. I go with my feelings because I'm feeling like, why should I have to put a mask on and stop myself from a virus when I'm in nature? Ain't no birds wearing no mask. Ain't no deer wearing no mask. Ain't no elk, ain't no buck wearing no mask. But if the mask works, why'd I have to be 6 feet away? That don't feel right to me. That don't seem right to me. I had to go with my feelings. Guess I'm in my feelings. I'm in my feelings. That don't mean I gotta be in tune. You gotta be in tune with yourself. A lot of people be denying themselves as far as what they feel. Pushing themselves forward, what they feel. You know, people that's not in their feelings, people that do drugs. Because when you do drugs, people who do drugs escape reality. They're cowards. Escaping trauma that they experience. And I'm not saying it's your fault because you experienced trauma, per se, like us. A lot of times we had childhood, we were born into trauma. You know? Sexual abuse, physical abuse, psychological abuse, electronic abuse, financial abuse. But if you don't address that, people will run from that. They go and do drugs. They go and smoke their way, drink their way, indulge in processed food, drugs, eat the animals that have drugs in them. It's like You know, there's the cowards. Those people aren't in their feelings. And they do everything to escape their feelings. Escape their feelings. Why do I feel this way? And if a why, and as far as even dealing with why, how do I go about this? How do I adjust this? How do I deal with this? What's going on right now? What is the source of this? It's why a lot of people keep getting in tons and tons of awful relationships. Awful opposite sex relationships. Or dating relationships, I should say. This is why they keep getting awful dating relationships. Because it's the same thing. And it's the same thing that keeps happening, cycling and cycling. It's the same thing. Oh, man, it's just that. Man, it's just that. Oh, it's just that. You're getting the same thing that keeps happening to you. It's probably you. You need to check yourself. Really. You can even check yourself maybe a lot of times the first time. You dig? But you know what all this takes back? You know what all this stuff takes? It takes accountability. Got to be accountable. Got to be able to trust ourselves, man. And I think with accountability, I think a lot of us are accountable as far as who aren't narcissists, I should say. But it's like being in your feelings. It's like just listening to yourself, listen to your body, listen to your thoughts. You may not like all the thoughts that go to your head, but just let them go through. And all the emotion, let them go through. Just let them go through. Just feel it in the moment, and then try to dissect it off of that, and study it off of that, and realize that. Cause you know what I'm saying? Really gotta learn yourself. You gotta feel it to heal it. Real talk. If you wanna feel it, and you wanna heal more, you guys can book a one-on-one consultation with us at info@healingthroughinspiration.com. Send us an email, or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We upload on a regular. You dig? Daily uploads on our YouTube as well. You guys want to start a business? Hey, it's right now. This is the time. It's the time to do it. Link in the description box for those who are serious. We got our apparel at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our one-of-a-kind artwork is there. You guys seen the stuff that we crafted as well. They got those videos there. But yeah, y'all check out our playlist too. We got some fire videos on our playlist. Uploading, you know what I'm saying? We still upload on a regular day. I want you guys to have a great one, alright? Peace, love, and light, yo.